Your membership at the Idea Exchange Old Post Office Makerspace allows you access to a variety of innovative creative technology. This tutorial will demonstrate the basics of operating our Ultimaker S5 3D printer. This 3D printer is a high-end, complex machine. It is fully enclosed and equipped with a full exhaust system. Further, it is able to adequately print abrasive and non-abrasive filaments. The dual extrusion can either be used to print both PLA and PVA, with the latter being a water-based dissolvable filament, or dual-color PLA prints. The Ultimaker S5 also has a heated glass bed, which can help tremendously with adhesion. This printer is capable of printing various filaments, including your standard PLA, ABS plastic, TPU plastic, which is flexible, and nylon. To get started, turn on the machine at the back of the printer. You have already learned how to slice your STL file and save it on the USB stick. Place the USB stick in the printer once the touchscreen has loaded to the main screen. Assuming there is filament loaded into the machine and we are ready to print, we will first apply a thin layer of glue onto the bed to help with bed adhesion. If you are not using the entire bed for the print, for instance if the print is small, only apply glue to the area that will be printed on. Next, touch the button that says Select from USB and scroll to find your file. If you've recently exported it, it should be near the top. The summary screen will show a visual preview of the print, the estimated time required to print, and how much filament will be used during the print. Hit Start Print and you are done. If for some reason you need to change the filament, whether it needs a new color, you are running low on filament, or you want to change the filament type, we will now cover unloading and loading the filaments. To unload the filament, from the main screen, touch the middle icon on the left that looks like a 3D printer. Then, select the top left or top right icon, depending on whether you want to remove the left or right filament. The button will say and correspond to what filament is currently loaded. It will more than likely say PLA on the left and PVA on the right. Select the Unload button and wait while the machine ejects the filament. Once it is completely removed out the back, hold the loose end and remove the material guide, like this. Remove the filament from the guide hole, always holding the loose end. Re-spool what came loose and fit the filament through the holder holes, like this. Again, it is imperative that you always hold the loose end of the filament, or it can knot and later tangle during printing. Place the filament in a sealed bag with a silica pack to keep the filament dry, and hit Confirm on the touchscreen to finish the procedure. Next, we will load the filament. From the main screen, touch the same button as before, the 3D printer icon. This will take you to the material screen where you will then touch the Load button. The machine will prepare itself, and while it does that, ensure the filament goes through the guide hole like this, and place the material guide back on the spool holder like this. Follow the touch screen for instructions. It will detect the filament if you are using an Ultimaker brand. If you are not, you can scroll and select the type of material that you are currently loading. Again, follow the instructions on the touch screen. Insert the filament and gently push it until the feeder grips the material. Press the Confirm button on the screen and the machine will feed the material into the extruder. Once it is smoothly extruding, finish the procedure by hitting Confirm. Congratulations! You have finished loading the machine.